Let's talk about Thiago Silva, the unbreakable wall, a story of redemption and glory. In the narrow streets of Rio de Janeiro, where football is more than just a game, it's a way of survival. One boy dared to dream bigger than his circumstances. His name was Thiago Emiliano da Silva, a kid with nothing but raw talent and relentless heart. But talent alone was not enough. As a teenager, Thiago Silva fought for his place in football. He started as a midfielder, but his destiny was elsewhere. Coaches saw something in him, something rare. His reading of the game, his composure, his strength. Slowly he transformed into a defender, a role that would one day make him one of the best. At Juventude, he rose quickly, earning a move to Porto in Europe. A dream, but not quite. Football can be cruel, and for Thiago Silva, it almost became a nightmare. Shortly after arriving in Portugal, he was diagnosed with tuberculosis. 4 months, he lay in a hospital bed, weak, helpless, on the brink of losing everything. Doctors said he might never play again. Some even suggested surgery to remove part of his lung. It was over, or so they thought. But Thiago Silva was never one to surrender. Against all odds, Silva fought back. He returned to Brazil, signed for Fluminense, and in no time, he reminded the world what they almost lost. He wasn't just back, he was better. He dominated defenses, played with the wisdom of someone who had seen the edge of the abyss. Europe came knocking again. This time, it was AC Milan. At Milan, Silva trained under the legends Nesta, Maldini, learning from the best until he became the best. Serie A champion, a wall at the heart of Milan's defense. But his journey was far from over. The world took notice, and PSG made him their leader, their captain, the face of their ambitions. Year after year, Silva lifted trophies in France, dominating League One.
Step one, wake up Brother gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes.
But there was one thing missing: a Champions League trophy. He fought, he led. He carried PSG to their first ever UCL final in 2020. They lost, but Silva had already won something greater, and that was respect. Then, when many thought his best days were over, Silva made a decision that would silence every doubter. At 36, in a league known for its intensity, Thiago Silva joined Chelsea. They said he was too old, too slow, that he wouldn't survive the Premier League. But legends do not listen to the noise. With calmness, intelligence, and sheer will, Silva became the pillar of Chelsea's defense. And in 2021, under the bright lights of Porto, he finally achieved what had eluded him for years. He won the Champions League. At 36, he wasn't just playing the world's toughest league, he was conquering it. Beyond clubs, Silva was Brazil's rock. Through triumph and heartbreak, he led his nation. He felt the pain of the 2014 World Cup. He lifted the Copa America in 2019, and he proved that he was not just a player, he was a warrior. But like they say, every journey must end, even the greatest ones. In his final seasons, Thiago Silva remained a leader, an icon, a mentor to the next generation. He had nothing left to prove, no mountain to climb. From the streets of Rio to the pinnacle of world football, from hospital beds to lifting the Champions League, his story is one of resilience, greatness, and an unbreakable will. Thiago Silva didn't just play football, he defied the odds. He became a legend.